Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with another how to create upcycled puppets. That's it, how to create upcycled puppets. This is Pooh Bear. So we are going to be playing with Pooh Bear, and here he is. It should be an easy one. There's a little zip tie in the back there, and we're going to go ahead and just remove that out just like this. There we go. Zip tie gone. Okay. Mechanism. Ooh, it's a big mechanism. I don't know what I'm going to be able to do. Maybe just do this. Force the top out first. There we go. Okay. And it's got something on the legs, so we're going to just break it there. We're going to do it. Okay, ready? There we go. And there. Okay. We're going to make this super easy, guys. Let's just yank that out. Yank these guys off. There we go. There's leg number one. Ready? There's leg number two. They've got some sort of, they've got zip ties on them. So let me get the zip tie number one. Hang on. Oh, come on. Zip ties shouldn't be that strong. Oh, there we go. Ooh. You won't see that, it's inside. And there's zip tie number two. There we go. That leg is off. That goes by. Okay. And now, he's got little pants. There's Pooh's leg coming out there. And here's Pooh's leg coming out here. And, there's something in the top. Got to get it out. Hang on. We can do it. We can do it. Hang on. This should do it. There we go. I'm not messing around with these guys anymore. Here we go. Hang on. I have a little hammer, my Craftsman hammer. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do anything here. Hang on. I didn't mean to hit Pooh like that. Come on. Come on. I got the bottom part out. There's these little things on the side. I think they're like right up in his ear area. Let's see here. Hold on. It's got something up there that's preventing me from yanking this baby right out. Hang on. Getting worn out here. This is quite a challenge. There we go. Did that do it? No, that didn't do it. Take a break for a second. Okay, let's try it again. I can just turn it inside out. There we go. You see? Something's happening. Get it on the edge of the table here. Let's get this in here. Maybe I can help pry it out. Hang on. There we go. Something's happening. Okay, so there is a zip tie. Come on. There we go. Is that going to do it? Oh, my goodness. His ears, look. It's like a little ear mitten. Hi. Oh. Okay, so that was good. And I can just do this. I guess his ears wiggled. I didn't have the patience to wait and find out, so hang on a second. We're almost done. We're going to finish with this Pooh Bear. And then we'll be ready to make a puppet out of him. Aha! Is that it? Oh, please tell me this is it. Whatever this thing is, it looked like it wiggled back and forth. We don't want to need that anymore. Okay, so there's the other ear. There is your Pooh Bear. Look at that. Oh, he looks more like a mole now. Let me put the Pooh Bear ears back in. And there he is. Whoops. All right. That goes in there like that. Stay. 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 There he is, guys. We did it. Yay! It's a Pooh Bear. Woohoo! Woohoo! That's the Pillsbury Doughboy. Sorry about that. But hey, thanks for being with us today. This is for you guys that have been here before. Thank you very much. For those of you who are new to the channel, please come back and subscribe and get all the updates. And this is the DIY Magician. Until next time, bye!